Gia. Gia. Do you have a new friend for Halloween? Oh boy. Scarecrow? Let's put him in there with you. What do you think? Ugh. It's heavy. It's heavy. Oh boy, he's your friend. He's sitting in your playpen with you. Moo. Moo. Do you like him? Oh no. Are you attacking him? Oh my god, I gotta get him out of there. Moo. Moo. Should I put him back in? Are you gonna hurt him? Ready? He's got a tie. He looks like Daddy a little bit. Right, ready? Let's turn your vibration off. Ready? Boo! Okay. Say bye. Say, I'm looking forward to celebrating my first Halloween. I already know what I'm going to be. Boom. Boom. You want to show everyone your 6 teeth? Oh my goodness. Gia. Boom. Okay, say bye-bye. Say love you.